Close your eyes and picture the warm Italian sun, the sound of waves gently rolling onto the Amalfi Coast, and the aroma of fresh basil, ripe tomatoes, and bubbling mozzarella filling the air. That's the soul of Italian summer cooking, vibrant, colorful, and made for sharing around a table with laughter and wine. Italian food in summer is all about light yet satisfying dishes that celebrate the freshest ingredients of the season. Let's start with a perfect summer pasta, spaghetti al limone for 4 people. Boil 400 grams spaghetti in salted water until al dente. In a separate pan, melt 60 grams butter with the zest and juice of 2 organic lemons. Add 100 milliliters heavy cream, season with salt and pepper, and toss in the drained pasta. Finish with 50 grams grated Parmesan and a handful of fresh basil leaves for a bright, tangy dish that tastes like sunshine. For pizza lovers, a classic Margherita pizza is unbeatable in summer. This recipe makes 2 medium pizzas, perfect for 2 to 4 people. Prepare the dough by mixing 500 grams all-purpose flour, 325 milliliters warm water, 7 grams yeast, 10 grams salt, and 30 milliliters olive oil. Let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. Roll out the dough, top with 200 grams tomato sauce, 250 grams fresh mozzarella slices, and fresh basil leaves. Drizzle with olive oil and bake in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius, 480 degrees Fahrenheit, for 8 to 10 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling. Now, no Italian summer feast is complete without gelato. For a simple homemade strawberry gelato that serves 4, blend 400 grams fresh strawberries with 150 grams sugar and 200 milliliters milk until smooth. Stir in 200 milliliters heavy cream and chill the mixture for at least 2 hours. Churn in an ice cream maker until creamy, then freeze for 1 to 2 hours before serving. The result is silky, fruity, and irresistibly refreshing. The magic of Italian summer cooking lies in its simplicity, using seasonal produce at its peak, balancing flavors, and letting quality ingredients shine. Always choose ripe tomatoes, fresh herbs, and good olive oil. Don't overload dishes with too many elements. Instead, let each component have its moment. Whether you're twirling lemony pasta, biting into a crispy pizza slice, or savoring a spoonful of gelato, you're not just eating, you're experiencing la dolce vita. Summer is the perfect time to slow down, share meals outdoors, and taste the joy in every bite. Which of these Italian summer delights would you try first on a sunny afternoon?